Okay, so if you're trying to add an image, but you don't want it to be a rectangle, you want it to be in a specific shape, all you have to do is just tap on masks, find the object you're trying to mask your image into. Let's say you want to go with this thing, resize it if you have to, and then just scroll to the left, add content. If you want to upload your own images, go to uploads. If you want to use stock images, just search for a stock image. What is with these images though? Yeah, but anyway, so yeah, just pick an image. Don't ask too many questions, and yeah. Uh, if you want to replace, if you want to unmask, that's how you do it. You can unmask existing images. Yeah. Anyways, that's how you put pictures into specific shapes. If you and you crop them into, you basically mask them. Yeah.